Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made these banana muffins with carrots and raisins. So if you would like to see how I put together this delicious snack from scratch, then keep watching. Alright you all, so to make our muffins, these are all the ingredients right here. So I have 5 large brown eggs that are allowed to sit out room temperature. Then on my plate I have some leftover carrots. I had like a bag of carrots and they have like the really small ones in there, so I'm just using a few of these. And then I use my peeler to actually skin the carrots. And then I'm going to also use this to just grate the carrots into small bite-sized pieces. Then I have a stick of butter. This is sweet butter that I'm allowed to sit out room temperature. I want it nice and soft. I have baking soda, some vanilla extract, and then I have some raisins. And then over here are the bananas. And now the bananas are, as you can see, they're nice and ripe. Some are riper than others, but the riper the better because it actually makes the bread more sweet. And so I have like about 2, 4, 6 of these. And I want to say they're kind of on like the medium small side. So yeah, I'm using that. Then I have brown sugar. I'm also going to be using some raw sugar cane. Raw sugar, whatever. Sugar in the raw. Cane sugar. That's raw cane sugar. So I'm going to be using that. I have some all-purpose flour. Then we have some whole wheat flour. Alright family, so here are our muffins right out of the oven. So they, in my oven on 350 degrees, they cooked for 20 minutes. So now I'm going to allow them to cool off, and then I will pop one out so we can see what it's giving on the inside. Okay y'all, so this pan hasn't completely cooled off. It's been about 5 minutes later from the last clip, but I'm just so eager. When I tell you it smells so good, and I'm just so eager to try one out, so I'm going to remove this one. And when I tell you it's still hot, it's still hot. Woo, woo. Oops, where am I? Okay. Woo. This is how it looks. Y'all, some background noise that you can hear, but y'all know my story. But yeah, this is how it looks. So now I'm going to actually cut it because it's so hot. Okay, so I'm going to cut this. See how the knife just glides right through it? See all the steam coming out? We'll cut it again. Okay, you see? And you see how moist it is? And now you can see your carrots and your raisins. Okay? Very moist. And let me taste it. Wow. Oh, hot. It melts right in your mouth. Oh boy. I don't know. Out of all the breads that I made on this channel, this might be the breadwinner. Wow. How moist that is. Oops. Come on, camera. Wow. Wow. So good. You almost forget that you use, excuse me. Give me a minute, y'all. It makes me forget that I even used, the wheat flour for this. This tastes so good. It kind of reminds me of almost like bread pudding. Alright, let me take the rest of these out and then we'll wrap up this video. Oh my. Alright family, so that wraps up another video. Again, this is my banana muffins with carrots and raisins. Tastes really, really, really delicious. If you decide to try this recipe, take a couple of photos and make sure you post it on the community tab so we all can see how well you did. And family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be happy, be safe, be blessed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.